So we're now completing another repair attempt along the front right gable. This is the third facet requested to display the attempted repair and also display any of the other issues present on the roof when attempting to do so. So as you can see, there are 3 shingles that need to be replaced here. So again, the tower line is so inconsistently sealed tightly. In the process of lifting any of these shingles, rips are more than likely to occur regardless of the equipment used. This is an example of like the extent of how easy it is to tear off, and yet a corner of this one tab is just as sealed as some of the prior shingles. Matting transfer confirmed. So compromise matting through a tear. Can I take the camera really quick? Thank you. I would just like to show you some of the fibers coming undone, and let's see if you can see the fibers hanging out through the top of the shingle, because, well, fibers have gotten stuck to the shingle below it. Another tear has occurred on top of this tear as well. You can see the multiple shingles that need to be accounted for that are much farther from the ridge line. This aftermath can be said to have occurred all the way up to the ridge line across this facet as well. Thank you for your time.